Hey there! It sounds like you want to set up a screensaver on your Samsung phone because the bright screen is bothering you. You have come to the right place. I'll walk you through how to turn your screensaver on and off on your phone. Let's dive in. First, head into your phone settings. Then, scroll down a bit. Now, select Display. Next, scroll all the way down. After that, tap on Screensaver. From here, you can pick your preferred screensaver options. For example, you can go for color, photo table, or photo frame. I'll demonstrate using color. Choose color. You'll notice a preview option below. Then tap on it. Now, you can see a preview of how your screensaver will look. If you decide you want to turn it off, just select None at the top. And there you have it. I hope this guide was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in.